Okay, this is how to build a lather off of a hard shaved puck. So this is a hard shaved puck. And so this is triple milled soap. It's very hard and very condensed. What you do is, I recommend instead of using a synthetic brush, you get a natural brush like boar. And you soak that boar brush for a little bit until the bristles are nice and soft. And then you can either build it up in the hand, or you can hold it down with a thumb in your lather bowl and get soaked that way, so it's a little less messy. And see, this is concentrated soap, so all we're really doing here is I'm just making sure I can get enough soap onto the brush. See how it's building up onto the brush? And I can then get rid of this. Soak my brush real quick. And then build a lather in the bowl. See how it's starting to fill up? And I can just add more water. So really maybe 10 to 20 little swoops with a wet brush to get enough soap on the brush to make a lather with a hard puck. I can keep on building this lather just like I did the cream. You want it to where you get good stiff peaks. You see those little peaks that are building up there? And it's kind of shiny. That's enough hydration. If you need more, you can add a little bit more. You can always practice with your soaps when you're lathering, so you know how much soap, how much water to soap ratio you can go. See, that's perfect. It's nice and shiny, and you get good peaks. So that's triple milled soaps.